I'm going to show you how to make Garam Masala. So Garam Masala is an Indian spice blend, and you can use it to make sagaloo, Indian curry, and actually many traditional Indian dishes. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to gas mark 3. We're going to add in our cinnamon sticks, our cumin seeds, cloves, bay leaves, nutmeg, peppercorn, green cardamom pods, and coriander seeds. And wow, look at that. That is like a spice salad. The colours of it. Cool, so we're going to place this in the oven for about 10 minutes now. They don't look much different, but the flavour, you can smell the flavour has enhanced so much. So we're going to allow that to cool for about maybe another 10 minutes, and then it should be good to grind in the spice grinder. And what we're going to do actually is just add our ground ginger now to the rest of the spices and pop it into the grinder. Just gonna get my hand straight in there. Right, let's grind up that first. Now we're just gonna grab the last of the spices. And let's grind that up. And we're going to just pour the final bit of the Garam Masala blend into our spice jar. Lovely. And so here is our finished Garam Masala spice blend. It smells extremely aromatic, nothing like what you buy in the supermarket. Really, really good. You can smell the clove, you can smell the cinnamon. You don't even need to get too close actually, you can smell pretty much everything in there. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye for now.